we're ICE. Okay, clearly we're marked.
Do you have a warrant?
We don't need a warrant, bro.
My name is Jake Efros. I am the city council person right here in Jersey City.
Listen, there's nothing that you're going to say that's going to prevent us from doing our job. Just letting you know. So you're wasting your time. You're wasting
Okay,
your time.
what is your job?
No, we're ICE. Okay, clearly we're marked. All right. So I'm just letting you know. You can continue talking, but we're not going to answer any questions. So just stay there. You can observe. You can do whatever you want. Just don't interfere. Are we cool?
Okay, what is the...
I'm not going to tell you anything else.
Do you have a warrant?
We don't need a warrant, bro. Stop getting that in your head. That's it.
Okay, that's it.
What is your job today? Are you just looking for anybody in particular? Estamos con usted, ¿ok? Estamos con usted. ¿Cuál es su nombre? Ok, ¿dónde vive?
En Jersey City.
¿En Jersey City Heights, aquí?
Sí.
Ok, estamos con usted, ¿ok? ¿Cuál es su dirección? Jorge, ok.
¿Sí le puede avisar a mi familia por si no me
Su familia está ahí. Ok.
Mi familia.
Ok, estamos con usted, ¿ok, señor? Ok.
Listen, I'm going to ask you to back up. You're not going to come in the elevator now. So I'm going to just have you back up.
This is the elevator that I can use,
well, we're
though.
going to take it now. You guys can stay out here. We have the guy in custody. I don't want you guys interfering with us having him in custody.
Okay, I'm just trying to...
You can meet us on top
observing.
after.
I'm recording.
Okay? You can record. I have no problem with you recording. But you're not going to get in the elevator with us right now.
It's my right to be able to use
you're not going to get in the
the
elevator
public
with us
transit,
now.
right?
I'm letting you know, if you do come in, I'm going to consider you as interfering, and then that's 18 U.S.C. 111. You will be charged. All right? So, do your thing. I have no problem with you recording. You record all you want. But I'm letting you know you're not going to come in the elevator. You understand? All right.
Jorge, ok, estamos con usted, ok?
Dígale si yo tengo derecho a llamar a mi familia.
Sí, usted tiene derecho para hablar
sí.
con su familia. Me voy a mandar oportunidad para hablar con su familia, como tú quieras. O su abogado, todo. Usted tiene tu mismo.
Why are you taking this man? Why are you taking this man?
Solo mi familia.
Do you have a warrant for his arrest particularly?
Listen,
Do you know who that...
That's it.
You have no idea who you took, huh? You're just picking up random guys, you're profiling random guys down there, you profiled a U.S. citizen. You don't care. You're just picking people up, right? You don't have warrants for their arrest.